Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coding Crowd. In this video, we are going to learn about what are the inbuilt functions and methods in a Python. So let's commence this topic. So basically, if we have some general purpose functions and one of special function. So these all are functions and methods in a Python. So before start this topic, we have to know what is the difference between functions and methods. So basically, functions are like a standalone tools that you can use to do specific tasks. For example, print is a function that you can use to show something on a screen, and you call functions with a parenthesis. But methods are like a specific tools, right? So this is that come with an object like a string or list. So basically they are specific to the object, and that you can use them by putting a dot after a object's name. For example, hello. So this is a hello, but after we'll put a dot upper. So basically this will give all string in a uppercase. So this is a method. So basically functions are like a hammer that you can use to drive a nail into a piece of wood, but it doesn't matter what kind of wood or what is a nail goes, right? So this is a function, but methods are like a specialized tools that you made for a specific kind of wood. It might be so that you can use a cut of certain shape or drill that can only make a certain size of hole, but you can use a specialized tool to specific task. So this is a main difference between a function and method. So we have to know this, what is a function and what is a method. And these all are our general purpose function. So basically first our function is a print. So basically print is used to get the output. First it will execute the code and get the output. So this is used for get the output. Input is used to store any string, any value in a string. Next is a help. So basically help is used to get a help from a system. Round is giving our round figure value of any number after a decimal point. Next is a sum. So basically this is giving us a addition value. Next is a maximum. So maximum is giving any maximum value from any list or string. This is giving a minimum value. Apps is giving our give us a absolute number. It means it convert a negative number into a positive number. So this is giving us a round figure value, we can say. Next is the enumerate. So basically this enumerate object contains a count which is start from always a byte file 0. So basically enumerate is a built-in function in Python that allows you to keep a track on a number to iterations or loops. So basically this is used to for a keep a track on a loops. Next is a zip. So basically zip function is used to combine a two or more iterable dictionaries into a single iterable. Next is a eval. So eval function is mostly used in a situations or application which need to evaluate mathematical expressions. Next is a access. So basically this function is used to allow you to execute arbitrary Python code from a string or compiled code into, right? Next is a range. So basically range function is often used to conjunction with for loops or to iterate over a specific range of numbers. So these all are our general purpose function. Next is our CRUD. So basically here CRUD is C indicates create, next R indicate read, U indicate update, D indicate delete. So in this video only will know what are functions and method, but in our upcoming video I will know in detail about it and with a code. Next is a create. So basically this is a list function is used to create a list, right? If we'll write a my list and giving values like 1 2 3 4, so this give us a list. Next is a dictionary. So dictionary is basically used to create any kind of dictionary. So for a dictionary we'll use this dict function. and which is create a new empty dictionary. So basically this is used for a dictionary. For example, in dictionary will give a key and value pair. For example, if we'll give a key value is name and value pair is John, so this will give a dictionary. Next is a set. So this is used to create for a set, like if we have any kind of set of fruits like apple, banana, cherry, so this is a set. Tuple is used just like a string. So basically if we want to create any tuple 1 2 3 4 kinds of number, then we'll use this tuple. Next is a string. This is used to create a string, and this is for an integer like 1 2 3 4. It means a positive values. Read. In read will include this function length. Length is used for a counter any kind of string or object, to count the length of that string, list or tuple. Index. Index is giving a index number, right? We have any kind of string, list or tuple, so it will give with what is the index number of that list, what is the index number of that tuple. So get. So basically get is returns the value of given a key in a dictionary. If we have any dictionary, then it will give a value. So to getting a value, we'll use a get function. Find. So it will return if you want to find any value in that string or list, then we'll use this find function. And next is a count. If we want to count any element in a list, tuple or string, then we'll use a count function. Next is a update. So basically these all are functions, and these all are functions and methods using update. So sorted. So basically it will gives the return a sorted list, right? Next is a append, update, replace, and last one is a extend. So basically first one is a sorted. If we want to sort any list, right, we have any kind of list 5 4 3 2 1, but we want to sort it, then it will give us a 1 2 3 4 5. It means ascending and descending order. Next is a append. So it adds a new element to a end of a list, right? If we have any kind of list, right, 1 2 3 4, but we want to add an 5 number also, then we'll use this append function. And this is basically used to for add a number end of list, not a starting or between. No, it's used only for a end of list. Update is used to update any kind of key and value pair in a dictionary, right? If we have any dictionary, right, name, age, right, these two we have two keys, name and age, and now we also want to add a gender, then we'll use this update function. Replace. So basically replace our substring in a string with a new string. If we have any word like a string, we can say we have a string of hello world, then we'll if we want to replace the word with a python, then we'll use this replace function. Extend. So basically this function is used to multiple elements in a end of list. If we want to add any multiple elements in a list, then we'll use this function, right? We have any kind of list 1 2 3, but we want to also add 4 5 6, then we'll use this function. Next is a delete. So basically del is used to remove any kind of element from a list and tuple. For example, if we have any kind of list, then we want to remove that, then we'll use a del function. Next is a clear. So basically these is used to clear the all items from a list. So it removes all elements from a dictionary, set or list. Next is a remove. So basically remove functions are a specific element from a list. If you want to remove any specific value from a list, then we'll use the remove function. Pop. So pop is used to remove and return the last element of a list. If we want to remove any last element from a list, then we'll use a pop function. It will always remove a last element of a list. Discard. Last one is our discard element. So basically discard is remove a specific element from a set if it exists. If we want to for example, I have a one set 1 2 3 4 5. This is my set, and if I want to discard a 3 value from a set, then we'll use this function discard. Why? Because we have already given the value and I want to remove from that. If it exists, then we can remove. If it doesn't exist, then we can't remove it. So if I have a set of 1 2 3 4 5 these values, and I want to remove a 3 value from it, then we'll use this discard function. So, and this is our miscellaneous function, which is basically this all are very easy. String upper is used to make all string values in uppercase. This is for lowercase. This is for a title. It means the first character of this string will be uppercase. String. So basically this is used to replace any string from, like if we want if we have any kind of word and the string and we want to replace it by a new word, then we'll use a replace function. It is a split, or we can say separator. If you want to split any kind of string, then we'll use this split function. This is used to join. If you want to join two strings, then we'll use this function. And this is numeric, then it returns all character string are numerical, then it otherwise it will give a false value. So these all are our functions and methods in a Python. So this is our basic functions and method. In next video we'll know detail about it, and we'll do this all functions and method with a code, so we can know how does it work in a Python. So this is our theory part. In the next video we'll know about the all coding part. So thank you everyone.